Right, so how we doing? Back down with customer with the classic New Hollands, all the TMs, with the AD plant, and today he's let me loose with the plough. 5 for a dow as well. Go. You can just see over there, finished off that field and done the headlands on that one, and we're slowly working his way through this one now. Oh. So I might as well take you along for the ride. Let's just swap this around a bit, hang on a minute. Right, I think you can see what's going on there, which would be helpful if I can work it up. There we go, it's alive. So anybody who's watching this who is a professional ploughman or even vaguely experienced ploughman, I'm sorry, I am not. My ploughing total is probably somewhere less than 100 acres. Go on, bury yourself. So this will be maize ground. Go on, get in. So you've got probably another couple hundred, well, yeah, probably 150, 200 acres ish to do. I'm only down here today because I seem to have gone from relatively quiet to pretty rushed off my feet for some reason. So have a good video coming for the weekend as well. Keep an eye out, the premiere thing should come up shortly. I'm just in the middle of editing. Basically it's work from Mondays and Tuesday. Should be a good video, I think. So we're not going right to the end of this field because there's some nasty stuff at the end of the field that the plough would not appreciate. Which does make for an easy headland turn, I will admit. Back in we go. This is, like I said, this is maize ground, so we need to go a little bit deep to be able to give enough depth for the maize roots to go in. Maize roots do need sort of a bit of depth in the bed. No, not as bad as spuds, but a bit more than grass and cereals. I'm quite enjoying myself. The field that I did the other side, that was a bit more tricky because it was maize last year, and as we all remember, maize last year was a bit of a tricky crop to get off near the end. What was that? No, we're still going. So I know haven't responded to anybody's messages from the weekend video. I do apologise for that. Like I said, I've just got busy. I have read everyone's comments. I've just seriously just not had the time to reply to them. Some very interesting answers though. Yeah, did quite enjoy that. Had some very interesting answers on to what you guys would spend your lottery wins on. Like I said, don't get excited. I haven't won the lottery. It was just, I don't know, one of them funny questions that I got in my head, and I thought, oh, I'd share it and see what you guys come up with. And you didn't disappoint. So I think we'll keep this a bit short and sweet this week. Like I said, keep an eye out for the weekend video. Should be a good one. Hope you have enjoyed this short clip of me making a mess with the plough. Hope I haven't angered too many people with it. Oh, it's leaving a bit there. So stay safe, stay well. Don't forget, if you do enjoy it, give it a grubby thumbs up. Don't forget, if you enjoy the channel and would like to subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell. And we have the shop as well if you would like any merchandise or a nice gift for somebody. The link for that will be down in the description. So that's it. We'll catch up with you at the weekend. Stay safe, guys. I'm going now. That's it. That's all of it.